Saving with Shay, and I am here for my Walmart weekend haul for you guys. Look, I'm getting now stupid late right now. It's almost 1:15 and I'm barely getting out. Like literally, like last night, the phone that I record on, Josiah dropped it in the toilet. So I let it sit in rice and it just got worse. And so the phone is dead as of now. It might come to life, back to life. I don't know. But I had to get another one. It's just an Android phone. I usually, there's like a Wi-Fi phone. I get it from Walmart for like $50. So I had to go pick up another phone this morning when I left the gym and get it all set up. And so that's the one I'm using now. And I'm not even gonna lie. I think I like, ooh, look at that bicep. Look at that. Ooh, I'm looking sweeter now. And so I actually think I might like the quality better. It actually gives you more of a view as well. I mean, I can kind of see my shoes. And so had to get another phone, had to reinstall all the apps that I needed on this phone right here. So that's why I'm getting out so freaking late. Now for my weekend, if y'all watched my last video, I mentioned that some accounts are able to not any offers, but the multiple offers of the same item do count towards bonuses. Only some accounts, because everybody didn't get that, which sucks, but everybody didn't get it. All right, I only have one Ibotta account and I did get that, so multiple items for me are counting. And so I did try it with the yogurt in my last video that you guys saw, and it worked. So technically I only need 4 out of 8 offers today for $3 back for the weekend. And then as far as the sweetheart bonus, I need a total of 48 for $10, and that I'm tracking for as well. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing his lovely face, definitely take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl. And also make sure your post notifications are on as well. So we're going to head over to Walmart. Again, it's late as hell. I know it's going to be loud. I know it's going to be loud. Just loud. And I know my anxiety is going to be high, but I don't have a choice. I'm going to try to run through the store as quickly as I can. Now, my Revlon offers did reset $5 back for one. It's one for lip and one for eye. And the limit is 5 for me. And I couldn't find nothing that I can price match. I haven't been able to find any more clearance, which kind of sucks as well, especially because the value is so high. And so I'm going to go probably to this other store and see if they have any. That store usually will have a lot of like makeup clearance, so we'll see. Other than that, we're going to head over to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of deals we can grab this week. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Definitely keep on watching. So this first deal is going to be on the Jack's Links. It has to be the Dorito spicy chili one or the flaming hot one. They're priced at $1.68. I have an offer on Fetch Reward for 2,050 points, which is 205. It'll make it free plus a 37-cent moneymaker. I think the limit is just 1. So I'm going to go ahead and grab it, and it'll be a money. We're going to grab more of the sparkling ice. You guys know, same deal. I've been doing this last week or so. They are on rollback for 97 cents. Only at some stores, because the other store, they're still priced at 108. But here, they're on rollback for 97 cents. I've been using this dollar IP right here that I got from my IP Fairy. Got it from, I think they both have it. 808 _ sweet _ couponer and what's the other one? That's IPs again. All right, they both do have it, making it absolutely free. And of course, we're grabbing the oikos again, priced at $118, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, making them only 68 cents. All right, so this next deal is on the children's Zyrtec. Last time I did this deal, I think I did it on ShopMam, and this one wasn't working. I tried it for Alexa, and both grape and bubblegum is working. They're priced at $13.44, getting back 5 on Ibotta, 5 on Alexa, and 5 on Swagbucks, making that $1.56 moneymaker. All right, guys, so this next deal is on the Extreme, let's check Extreme. Now, you can either grab the 4 count at $6.78, which this is the last one, or you can grab the 12 count right here, which are the cheaper ones. You'll end up getting back 2 on Ibotta. You'll get back 4 on Alexa and 4 on Swagbucks, making it a $3.22 money. Okay, I'm also going to be grabbing the Hydro Soap again, priced at $9.97. You'll be getting back $3 on Ibotta, $4 on Alexa, and $4 on Swagbucks, making this a $2.02 moneymaker. So this next deal is going to be on the soft soap. These are the little ones. They're priced at $124. For this, I'm going to grab 2. I'm actually going to grab the cherry one. I actually really like the way this one smells. It kind of like reminds me of like the little like strawberry shortcake toys when I was little. So let's kind of taking me back to my childhood. They're priced at $124. I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of them. I'll end up paying $2.48. I'll get back 50 cents on Ibotta for buying 2. It's also $1 back on Swagbucks for buying 2, making them only 49 cents each. All right, so we're gonna grab the Colgate Kids again, priced at $2.94. Now I already did this on Ibotta, but I do still have it for Walmart cash. So we're gonna grab 2 at $2.94. We'll end up paying $5.88, getting back 3 for Walmart cash, 3 on Alexa, and $160. Okay, Chanel. Okay, yeah, I really want the $160, right? $1.60 on Shopkick, making them both free, plus $1.72 moneymaker. So next up is the Elvive, L'Oreal Elvive. I'm gonna go ahead and just grab this deal. They are priced at $4.97. You want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll end up paying what? $9.94, getting back 4 on ShopMe and 4 on Swagbucks, making them only 97 cents each. Okay, so I'm going to grab the Shea Moisture deodorant again, priced at $9.97. Getting back, how much? We're getting back $3 on Ibotta, $3 on Alexa, and $3 on Swagbucks, making this only 97 cents. Okay, I'm also going to be grabbing the Degree Advanced, priced at $4.98. Getting back $2 on ShopMe and $2 on Swagbucks, making that 98 cents. This next deal is going to be on the Dove. I'm going to grab the Dove Men Care, price at $6.97. I'm also going to I'm also going to be grabbing the Dove deodorant, the Even Tone again. I'm going to use this $2 hang tag. I'll end up paying $12.45 out of pocket, but I'll get back 2 for the deodorant. Well, 3 for the deodorant and 2 for the body wash on Ibotta. Plus $6 on Referral for buying 2. It makes them 72 cents each, which is awesome. Really quick, let me give a really big shout out because one of you guys just hit me up and let me know to check the surveys on Brand Club. Literally just hit me up while I was in store. Is it gonna focus? To let me know to check the surveys on Brand Club, and I did. And there is actually a ton of them that popped up. Surprisingly, a ton of them. They're all like under 65 cents, I want to say. 65, 50, and 40, and then 45. Yeah. They have Dove, they have Pepsi, Revlon, Colgate, Airwick, Kotex, Suave, Cheetos, Dawn, Poise, Soft Soap, Glade. So I'm gonna actually be able to get a little extra money back on some of my stuff today. So only thing is, it's gonna take forever to do these surveys, y'all. Maybe they upped the limit. I already did one. So and Shea Moisture too. Okay, so this last deal I'm gonna grab is on the True Skin. It'll be on this one right here, which is priced at $13.68. Getting back 4 on Ibotta, 4 on ShopMe, $3 on Swagbucks, and then $4 on Checkout 51, making that $1.01 money. Right, so here is my little bitty haul for today. This haul worked out pretty good. I did everything today except the oikos. You guys saw me do that in my last video. But everything here worked out good. The only coupons I had were the sparkling ice ones, which were still scanning perfectly fine. I actually used a couple of those at Food for Less yesterday. They scanned perfectly fine, so I definitely will be ordering some more of those. I think they're good till like March 11th. The Dove hang tag, that one, it scanned last time. Of course, it scanned this time as well. And that was it for coupons. Now, for this haul, I totally forgot to activate the offer for the Colgate beforehand. So if it's still there tomorrow, I'll return and repurchase them. Obviously, if it's not there, then we just gonna return them. That was the only thing with today. What else? For the Dove on Fetch, I did have to have the receipt corrected for the Even Tone because it did not pick it up So I'll let you guys know what happens as far as that. Everything else worked out good though. And so everything you see here retails $105.69. I had $5 in coupons. I brought the out of pocket down to $100.69. And then we walk away with $25 from Swagbucks, $22.50 from Ibotta, $18 from Alexa, and I do have one receipt pending. I actually have a receipt for my last haul still pending as well. Fetch Rewards should be $8.05. Brand Club is $7.95. I had a ton of surveys, you guys, and they are going to take forever to do. Forever. Literally. But $7.95 in Brand Club surveys. There was one that was like a personal survey, like how many in your household income, how many are you married, race, that kind of stuff. And I got back an extra $1 there. Checkout 51 was $4. Walmart cash should be $3. And then last but not least was Shopkick at $1.60. So we walk away with a total of $90.10. It nets this at $10.59. I know, which is crazy, right? Like, I'm gonna have to look up and see when the last haul I did cost me. But I know it's been a while. I'm trying to think if I had one already this year yet, if I had a cost this year. Now I know there's stuff here your girl could have gone without. Like, there's stuff here I could have just passed on. Other than that, as far as our emoji, Josiah's upstairs. His emoji is a monkey. Okay, so if you got to this point in the video, I appreciate you. We appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. We want to see some monkeys in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.